Mango, the national fruit of India, and while Indians cultivating this delighting fruit for more than 4000 years. Worldwide, there are several hundred cultivars of mango. Depending on the cultivar, mango fruit varies in size, shape, sweetness, skin color, and flesh color, which may be pale yellow, gold, or orange. GI Trips presents Introduction to Geographical Indication Tagged Mangoes from India. So let's travel to India for GI tagged mangoes.
Ratnagiri Alfonso grows in the region of Ratnagiri and Konkan region of the Indian state of Maharashtra and GI tagged in the year 2018. Alfonso, the king of mangoes, was named after Alfonso de Albuquerque, a Portuguese nobleman. Alfonso mangoes are highly attractive with flavor and color, along with ample sweetness, and have low fiber pulp and long shelf life. These mangoes are rich in vitamin C, which is highest among all Indian mangoes.
Gir Kesar. Kesar is the well-known variety of Gujarat, particularly Junagadh region, which got GI tagged on 29 June 2011. The fruit was first appreciated by Nawab Muhammad Khan II of Junagadh. The Kesar mango has saffron color pulp, with distinctive and naturally occurring organoleptic characteristics of taste, aroma, color, and sweetness.
Marathwada Kesar mango. Marathwada Kesar mango grows largely in the Marathwada region of Indian state of Maharashtra, which granted GI tag on 30th November 2016. It has its origin from Junagadh in Gujarat. Sweetness of Kesar mango is highest in Marathwada and possesses color and taste similar to saffron. This fruit contains high amount of vitamins and minerals. It is a favorite fruit of processing industries.
Mango Malihabadi Dussehri. Mango Malihabadi Dussehri originated in Malihabad Tahsil, Lucknow district in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. It got GI tagged in the year 2009. Alamgir Khan of Malihabad planted these varieties in his garden, which later became chief sauce. Dussehri mangoes are small to medium-sized fruit with elongated shape. The pulp is yellow in color with fiberless flesh, rich characteristics flavor and good keeping quality.
Banganapalli mango. Banganapalli mango, also known as the king of South Indian mangoes, is named after the place it comes from in the state of Andhra Pradesh. This 100-year-old mango got its own GI tag mango in the year 2017. The mango is large-sized golden yellow in form. The main specialities are its edible skin and can be cold storaged for a period of 2 to 3 months. The mango weighs 350 to 400 grams per piece. The market season is generally from March to May.
Fazli mangoes. Fazli mangoes are from Malda district in the Indian state of West Bengal. Its origin goes back to pre-British period. Fazli mangoes got GI certificate on 9 September 2008. Fazli mango is unique because of its greenish yellow skin, sweet fiberless pulp and huge size. It can easily weigh about 1 kg. It is a late maturing mango which ripes in July to August.
Lakshman Bhog. Lakshman Bhog mango is an ideal alternate to Alfonso and is cultivated only in West Bengal, Malda. Granted GI tag in the year 2008, these mangoes have found prominence from as early as the 7th century, courtesy the many Nawabs and Zamindars who ruled here. This mango contains thick pulp which is ideal to make thick shakes and lassi. It has light sweetness which makes it convenient for diabetic patients to consume.
Rasdalu mangoes. Bhagalpuri Zardalu mango is a unique variety of mango grown in Bhagalpur and joining district of Bihar. It granted GI tag in the year 2018. It was first planted in Bhagalpur region by Maharaja Ramnath Ali Khan Bahadur of Kharagpur. It is a creamy yellow colored fruit that possesses exceptional fruit quality and an intaking aroma. It is rich in fiber and enzymes that are highly beneficial to the abdominal muscle and digestive system.
Kirsapati mangoes. Kirsapati mango got originated in modern day times in Indian state of Bengal, and they are found in places of Malda, Murshidabad, Nadia, and got its GI tag in the year 2008. These mangoes are thin-skinned. Uniqueness of these mangoes include absence of fiber and parallel sweetness and good shelf life. They are normally 250 to 350 grams and they are usually available in the market from May to end of June.
Appimidi mangoes. Appimidi mangoes can be seen especially in the Western Ghat region of Karnataka. This mango got GI tagged on 4th September 2008. These mangoes have history of about 100 years. The word Appimidi originates from Kannada language, midi, which means tender mangoes. These are raw, unripe, aromatic and delicious mangoes which are ideal for pickling. Appimidi comes in varieties of flavors such as cumin and camphor. These are about 12.22 grams to 21.12 grams and are available from the month of March to May. Due to overexploitation, these trees are at the verge of extinction.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.